Namaste, I'm Dr. Shraddha Shah, Vitreoretina and Uvea consultant at Center for Sight Chembur. Today I'll be talking about the retina, which is the piche ka parda of the eye, the most important part of the eye, and the conditions associated with it known as diabetic retinopathy. Now, what is diabetes? As we all know, diabetes is the blood sugar levels which are high, fasting blood sugar which is more than 100, and postprandial blood sugar, that is khane ke baad ka blood sugar, which is more than 140. Any patient who is a diabetic is prone to suffer from a condition known as diabetic retinopathy if their blood sugar levels are not controlled. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of diabetic retinopathy? Patients can have blurring of vision, distortion of vision, or sometimes they may see black spots in front of the eyes, which are called as floaters. If any diabetic patient experiences these symptoms, they must consult a retina specialist immediately. Now, this diabetic retinopathy is seen in 4 stages. Stage 1 to 3 is known as non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy. Stage 4 is known as proliferative diabetic retinopathy. In non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy, there is bleeding at the retina and there is fluid collection. Now, this can be treated by using topical drops or intravitreal injection depending upon the severity. Moving on to proliferative diabetic retinopathy, when there is excess of bleeding in the eye, when the retina gets thinned out and gets detached, that is known as tractional retinal detachment. These are the signs of proliferative diabetic retinopathy. In these cases, surgery may be required. Now, the prognosis for a proliferative diabetic retinopathy is generally poor. So, to avoid that, every diabetic patient must get a regular checkup done and control their blood sugar levels.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.